Well, good day, guys. Ever since we saw your video on the YouTube, we've been intrigued to try out this recipe. Candace actually went to, behind my back, she went to the local Woolworths and picked up the ingredients. So we are here to try out your 4-ingredient recipe. Because we're in a state park in Rhode Island, we're not allowed to have alcoholic beverages. So believe me when I say that this is Bailey's. Haven't had any since yesterday morning though, so I don't know if it's soured since then. Give it a little shimmy shimmy shake. Is that the real stuff?
Oh, it's good.
Yeah, it's good. Tastes like ice cream.
It does actually. So the 4 ingredients for this recipe are obviously the Bailey's. Just, yep, that's the real deal. Brown sugar. We're supporting and partnering.
We've partnered with Hannaford
for a very long time.
Yep.
And we also partner with the other local Woolworths, which is actually Market Basket.
We don't like to go there, mate. Their meat and vegetable and fruit section is, they've all got stickers on them that read manager's special.
We typically don't buy anything from Market Basket unless it's a non-perishable. We definitely got more sour cream than we needed.
Yep.
So we'll be scooping that out.
By accident.
So somehow sour cream and Bailey's and brown sugar together in combination are supposed to make a delicious dip for strawberries.
I already saved you the trouble of watching me cut these up. I might slide it in there for like 6 frames, you never know. But go ahead, doll. Why don't you show them what we've got?
Alright, so I'm not going to put the entire, I'm not going to chuck the entire container of sour cream into the bowl because
especially not at a great height, Amanda.
I'm already concerned about the flavor of sour cream and all of these other things. So I'm going to go halfway. Not that much.
That looks delicious for Mexican food. I don't know about
yeah, that and potatoes. Okay, and then the brown sugar. I think they said 2 tablespoons.
Just chuck some in.
I'm going to have to because that spoon is already contaminated. Put this over here. I'm just going to do what Julia Child would do and assume I'm getting my measurements correct. That looks like...
This is not a high budget production, guys.
Ooh, I have a lot of sugar on my hands. Okay, and then the Bailey's. And I think that Amanda had said it was about a 1/2 cup. So this looks like about a 1/2 cup.
Tip it in.
We don't need to put all of it in there though, right?
That's exactly
Nothing wrong
right.
with that. All right.
Oh.
And now it's the just the stir and mix.
Whisk it in.
You know, if it wasn't sour cream, I would say this actually doesn't look like it would be horrible.
We're actually not sure if this is going to taste all right or not.
I may have gone a little heavy on the Bailey's.
Put some more of the sour cream. We're not saving that.
Why not? Let me just see what I can do here. It is kind of coming together nicely.
Yeah, who doesn't like that?
It looks like melted ice cream right now.
It does look.
Look at that.
It doesn't look like sour cream.
Something else that they had said in their video was that it should go in the fridge to get a little bit hard.
No issues with that, especially in the morning.
This is not going to be refrigerated, so we're going to just go for it. Great.
Wow, that looks...
Yeah, I'm not even going to put my finger inside of it yet because I need to do something with this. Don't let my rock blind you.
Nice work, doll.
You did a great job with that ring, by the way, baby.
Nothing too good for you.
I know. Ooh, look at that.
I'm gonna have to edit the shit out of this.
Nice there. Ooh, look at that. It almost looks
Like coffee ice cream or something.
inappropriate.
We're back again for the Ryan's favorite part. Do you remember what that is, Candy?
Taste test.
It's a taste test. Here we are. And if it's rubbish, I'm going to say it's rubbish. All right.
Well, it might also be the preparer of the dish, not
and these are like
necessarily
4-day-old
the
strawberries,
recipe.
but they're local. We only use
What
New
is
England
it?
products.
Stimulating the economy.
Yep.
All right, here we go.
All right, let's see what you got.
Cheers.
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 I'm a little afraid.
It's good.
It's different. It's different.
I have a feeling. Let's try it again.
Maybe if we had a little bit more Baileys in our mouths, maybe it would
I
be more
also
suitable.
think that if it was a little bit harder, if it wasn't quite so
If it was in the
drippy,
fridge.
it would, but it's good. It's got a nice flavor. Surprising with sour cream.
Look at that, guys.
You can't go wrong with Bailey's, though.
Especially in the morning. So, final review. Is it something we'll try again?
I think so. Yeah,
No?
it's tasty.
I like it too. We obviously made a lot more than we expected to.
Yep, that's like more than anyone needs.
So maybe we should follow the directions as far as the size and amount of ingredients. But these high budget productions just don't really have like a third party measuring things out for us. So thanks again for sharing, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video.
This was fun.
It was fun.
To me, I don't have quite as much as you.
I'll share with you. Just water, guys. All right, ciao. See you on the next one.
Not awesome.